Situational awareness holds paramount importance in maritime settings, where the dynamic and unpredictable nature of the environment demands constant vigilance for the safety and efficiency of operations. In real life incidents, situational awareness plays a pivotal role in preventing accidents and responding effectively to emergencies. In maritime contexts, it involves a comprehensive understanding of vessel positions, weather conditions, navigation hazards, and other critical factors. A lack of situational awareness can lead to collisions, groundings, or other accidents with severe consequences. For instance, the infamous Exxon resulted from a failure in situational awareness, where the tanker collided with the reef due to a lack of accurate navigation information. Moreover, in emergency situations like natural disasters or piracy threats, maintaining high situational awareness is a crucial. Effective communication, timely decision making, and swift action depend on a clear understanding of the maritime environment. The success of search and resource operation, for instance, heavily relies on the ability to rapidly assess the situation and coordinate efforts. Situational awareness in the linchpin of maritime safety and operational success. Real-life incidents underscore the critical need for constant vigilance, accurate information processing, and effective communication to navigate the complexities of the maritime environment, ensuring the well-being of crew, vessel, and the maritime ecosystem.